सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनम गोविंदा गोविंदा। सद्गुरु महाराज की जय। जानकी कांत स्मरणम जय जय राम राम। बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वम् अरोगता अजाट्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। कलये सुन्दराकारं सदैकप्रियदर्शनम् अज्ञाननाशकं देवं सद्गुरुं मुरलीधरम्। It is indeed a very happy start for all of us at the ashram when we see this wonderful 163 Bala Bhagavatas coming together from 41 cities and participating in celebrating the descent of, as our Sri Swamiji said, Ramayanam itself. Ramanavami, he said in the lecture, is a descent of Ramayanam. So the right way to celebrate Ramanavami, apart from Archana, etc., to our Ramachandra Lalla in our home, is to actually celebrate and adore and revere Ramayanam itself. So it is very apt that our GOD USA and GOD Canada came together and encouraged 163 of our youngsters to come together to do Sundaraganda Parayanam. And it is important that we start early because whatever we think about, whatever we speak, whatever we hear, whatever we see, over time is what we become. And it's easier done when we start it at an early age. And especially Sundaragandam talks about the exploits of hero of anybody, not only youngsters. Anybody in this world who cares about service, who cares about love, who cares about purity, who cares about mental strength, and who cares about achieving something which makes positive impact on society, have to be the fan and devotee of our Hanumanji. And more we actually think about Hanumanji, the more we will imbibe the qualities of Hanumanji. Now you tell me, who doesn't want a sharp thinking intellect? Who doesn't want their name to be associated positively by a lot of people? Who does not want to be steadfast in the right values? Who does not want to be fearless at a strike of a challenge? Who does not want a very healthy body and a healthy mind? Who does not want to completely throw away laziness and sloth? Who does not want to have the power of speech, which is truthful, sweet, and influential in the same token? All this is possible if we can just do the remembrance of our Hanumanji in form of either reading the Sundaraganda or listening to the Sundaraganda story, or by even thinking about our Hanumanji, or the easiest route is to sing Hanuman Chalisa given by the very re-avatara or reincarnation of Valmiki Bhagavan in form of Sant Tulsidas Goswamiji. The beauty is you all have done both. And that is the whole intent of this wonderful Dhyana Shloka of Hanumanji, Buddhir Bhalam, Yashodhairyam, Nirbhayatvam, Arogataha, Ajatyam, Vakpadutvancha, Hanumat Smaranat Bhave. So the easiest way to keep our cool in the midst of so much of these incredible things which happens around us, especially in the place where we stay right now, the challenge is the surge of potential negativity of people around us outside our homes, and the onslaught of diversions, distractions, manipulations, either online or in the society. That's the real world for us. And thankfully, by the grace of our beloved Guru Maharaj, our Maharanyam Sri Sri Muralidhara Swamiji, we have what is called as a satsang, which equips us with an armor, which equips us with a kavacham in form of such things like reading and remembering the various stories of Hanumanji, by chanting the divine names of Ramachandra Prabhu, by actually chanting shlokas like Hanuman Chalisa. This is verily an armor for us, a kavacham for us to actually win through whatever happens outside of us. And above all, it also gives us tremendous joy. It also gives us the tremendous sweetness of love in our heart. So my humble pranams, age does not matter. Even if you are 2 years old or 23 years old, if you have a Ramayanam Grantha book in your hand, you are a Bhagavata. If you have the Ram Nam in your lips, you are a Bhagavata. If you have Tulsi Mala in your neck, you are a Bhagavata. If you wear a Gopi Chandanam in your forehead, you are a Bhagavata. If you have love for our beloved Guru Maharaj, you are a Bhagavata. And Bhagavatas, irrespective of their age, needs to be worshipped and respected. So from my heart, I am telling you, I am feeling so happy to see this, especially because our Swamiji was extremely delighted to hear about this. To hear 160 plus of you have come together to do Sundaraganda Parayana. Our Swamiji and our Kanyakumari Hanumanji sends their blessings to each and every one of you. In fact, I'm just standing outside the Hanumanji temple at the backyard of our ashram. I could see his majestic form looking at the sun in the morning. And it is indeed a great fortune that Swamiji, our beloved Guru Maharaj, has accepted us as a part of his family by making us involved in the satsang activities. Just because somebody is born into a satsang does not make him or her a satsangi. Just because somebody is not born into a satsang family does not make her not a satsangi. When we have these wonderful tendencies to chant the divine name, to read the divine works, and to listen to divine stories, and to remember the divine exploits and the divine form of Ramachandra Prabhu or Bhagavan Sri Krishna, that makes each of us a satsangi. It's my earnest prayer that Ramachandra Prabhu and our beloved Prabhu, Sri Guruji, blesses us with the same enthusiasm, the same zest for satsanga in the years to come. It is 163 this year, and as usual, our expectations will always be sky high because of the potential all of you have. I'm sure in a very short while, it will swell to a higher group of people enthusiastically participating, doing Parayana, etc., making Ramayanam, Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita as a part of our life, making Maha Mantra as part of our daily routine, and remembering our Guru and our favorite deity as part of our very self. Radhe Radhe, and once again, my heartfelt namaskarams and prostrations to all the Bhagavatas who have participated in this very wonderful Bala Ramayana Parayanam of Sundaragandam, and also who have participated in the Akhanda Hanuman Chalisa Parayan. May our beloved Guru Maharaj, may our Thakurji, Madhuri Sakhi Sameta Premi Kavarda Thakurji, bless us with all joy, success, humility, and let us achieve what we have marked out as a personal goal, and let us also never lose our grip onto the feet of our beloved Guru Maharaj. Radhe Radhe, Jai Sitaram.